We have, like now it comes to the reforms, as I've mentioned before, why we want citizens not to deal with government. Why is corruption? What is corruption? Corruption happens when there's a contact between citizens and the government. If there's no contact, there's no corruption. So, the minute you eliminate the contact, corruption goes. That was our mission. Ours is the only state where we have formed a Right to Service Act in which there are 149 civil services and 20 police services. And we have a commission which monitors them on a regular basis. And I had a meeting with the commission about 10 days back, and they told me that approximately in the last 1.5 years, 2 years, since, approximately, if you look at the figures, what is this?
24 lakhs have been received.
No.
These are in process.
Out of approximately in 1.5 years, since November 2011, you have to say approximately 2 years, 94 lakh applications were received. And only 1 lakh are pending. These pending means that if somebody applies today, he has 15 days you have to process this. So the present, we have 97% of the applications received by various departments have been implemented within the specified time. So for this work it requires 5 days, if this work requires 7 days or 2 days or 24 hours, 97% of 94 lakh applications, the civil and 38 lakhs have been processed and implemented, and people are received their whatever the result they wanted within the time frame. And now we are trying to reduce the time frame that we are now, if we are given 15 days first, now we will take it to 11 days, then more or less this. How we are doing it, that once we are computerizing back end and forward end of administration, certain departments have become paperless, like Excise and Taxation Department has become paperless. Our 2 districts of a completely online, backward and forward integration. Our target is to make rest of Punjab districts completely paperless by all services by another 1 year, 1.5 years. And once we achieve that, then you see the efficiency level will go up so fast that these services will come online. You know what we have done? We have made these very nice Suvidha centers and police sound centers. Now in Punjab, you don't have to go to a police station. You will have a very fancy, nice offices in the middle of town or outside police stations, air conditioned, you got like a lobby, you sit down. You just go, all your police services, you want to register an FIR, you want to register anything, you want a license, you need a passport verification, you need all that. You'll have girls, well dressed, they're all policemen, women, but we don't want to make anybody feel, people are scared of going to a police station. They think that once you go into a police station, you've had it. So ours is the only state we have introduced these SAN centers of police outside the police stations, and now every citizen has to go to these centers, not to the police station, for all these services. And we have been so successfully implemented it that Government of India Home Ministry has sent a team, and they want to replicate and recommend that this should be followed in other states. It's so interesting, and even a team from Nigeria in Africa, they heard about this. Now they sent their team to look at the systems there. And we have been very successful. And you can track your case, you can get a feedback. Now we introduced a 181, like you go to US, you have 911. What is it called? 911. You come, like within so much time, police comes and solves all your problems. That's the same thing we introduced. We already introduced, very successful. And any complaint against the police, somebody's taking money, somebody's not registering a case, the person has gone, just call 181, and you see within half an hour, 1 hour, 20 minutes, depends on the location, immediate action is taken. All the district police chiefs, all phone calls which come on 911 181, 10% of the phone calls which come to the district regarding that particular district, the SSP has to call up the citizen after taking 10% of the calls every day. The 10% numbers he's called, he has to send the numbers to my ADGP Law and Order. So all district chiefs send the numbers. It's not that he'll say that I've done. So the ADGP calls up samples out of the 10, whether the SSB is called, and he sends his own, makes a call to the citizens, whether you're satisfied or not. Whatever the calls ADGP does, the list comes to me every day. I call up Wellman Town on random 8 to 10% of the people. Initially they were shocked. The citizens used to say, it's not Sukhbir Badal. I said, no, I'm Sukhbir speaking. No, you can't be. And it's been so successful. And because of the chain we have created, the response time of the police. So people are complaining. Initially there were a lot of complaints against the police for corruption, non-action. And now the policemen know that they are going to be monitored. Now the complaints against the police are reducing. And hopefully over the next few months, the complaints against the police will reduce and the more they'll start working better. So we're coming out with a lot of innovative ideas, and our purpose is to create an environment for services. Like a Suvidha center, you look at, it looks like one of a banking office, like you go to one of the ICICI bank or something like that. The same feel, the same similar feel in our registration offices. You go to a land record registry in Ludhiana, Jalandhar, it's like a big bank office or something, very nice. Because you know the work, the feeling and the feeling of welcome has to be there for the citizens. And we are now reaching the grassroots level. Now we are going to the villages with the similar systems there. I think it will take us about 1.5 years to reach every nook and corner of our state for providing services. Our poverty reduced. 204, these are the Planning Commission of India, a percentage of people under poverty were 20.9%. Now they are 8.26 in our state. And the government of India, now overall India, according to their data, is 21. That means we are about 10 years ahead of the rest of the country. Our GDP is growing phenomenally in the last 5 years since we have taken over. If you look at the red is the previous Congress government, which was their growth rate, and you just see the blue one when we have taken over. This is the level of growth and the speed which we've taken the state. Even the revenues, people are talking about, you know, there's a slowdown in the country. Just see our revenue growth. From where to where every year we're increasing, the blue one. This clearly shows because we have put systems in place and, you know, highest consumerism. As I've told you, the highest sale of McDonald's there. Even Metro Cash and Carry. You look at the maximum amount of stores in Metro Cash and Carry are in Punjab. Even this Airtel, Walmart, their stores maximum amount are in Punjab. They may have one in each state, but here they have 5, 5, 6, 6 of them in our state.